Hey everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix Riot Game Client update Valorant not working on PC. So right now you can see that my Valorant game is being stuck on update section, and even if I go back and if I click on update Valorant, it's not updating, not showing me any kind of status, nothing is happening. And if I click on update, then it goes to the same page where it just goes round and round and nothing happened. What you need to do if you are stuck on the same position, I will be sharing two different solutions. Number one, you have to close it from here, then right click on your Windows icon, choose Task Manager. Now here, go to the Details tab, look for Riot or Valorant and close it. So keep scrolling down until you find any related file with Riot or Valorant. So I don't see any file related to Valorant or Riot running over here. So you also need to make sure that none of the files are running in the background. Okay, once you are done, you have to close it. Now look for the Valorant icon on your desktop or Riot icon. Right click on it and then choose Properties. The Properties box will be up. Here from the top in menu option, you have to click on Compatibility. And just check this option of disable full screen optimization, and also check the box run this program as an administrator. Then click apply, then click on OK. You need to do the same with the Riot client if you have the problem with Riot client only. Now after doing this, double click on Valorant to open it, then click on yes. And now you can see that it's not been stuck and the downloading has been started. Alright. So you just have to wait, and you can see that the percentage shows me here now. As earlier it was just moving round and round, but now you can see that it's moving and the downloading is around 37 or 40% completed. Alright, so this was the first solution. In case if this doesn't work for you, then what you have to do next, click on your search box, type here Defender, click Windows Defender Firewall. From the left hand menu option, click allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then click on change settings. Click allow another app. Click on browse. Click this PC from the left hand menu option, then local disk C. Then go to here, click on Riot Games. Then whichever you have the problem with. If you have the problem only with Valorant, then go to Valorant. Then go to live, shooter game. Then binaries, Win64, and choose Valorant Win64 shipping. Then click on open. Then click on add. I've already added, so it shows me this error. So once added, it will show up here in the list. And then make sure the box is being checked. And even the private and public boxes are checked for Valorant game. Do the same with the Riot as well. After that, restart your PC and check that. I'm very sure that your problem will be fixed. If this get fixed, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe, and still if you have any question, any problem, let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care, bye bye.